Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here to share with you guys my November kits, which will be found in my Etsy shop, which is linked down in the description box, or Shays Budget Shop on Etsy, and that are available at the timing of this video, you know, like right now. So here are the November kits. So this is the pattern that I chose to go with, and that is primarily because it's a fall pattern and also because it matches the November tab, of course, in the Erin Condren planners, which is pretty much, you know, that's what I use, and that's kind of what I highly focus on. So November looks like this, and that is why I tried to match up the print. Of course, I do actually use a neutral, so it matters not to me, but I wasn't always using a neutral, and it does matter to other people. So anyway, this is the kit. We get the November 2019 script sticker, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 gold stickers, 2 washi strips that technically are meant to go at the top of the monthly page, 8 payday flags, and then we get 7 thick washi strips and 2 thin washi strips, which I'll show you how to use those. We get the functional wash, I call it a functional washi sheets. And then we get Bill Do stickers, and then of course we get our script stickers. So let me show you guys how I actually use mine. And of course I do have some other stickers in my shop. You can get pretty much all of this stuff a la carte if you don't want to order it all together. And I even have a neutral add-on is what I call it, that actually goes with the November, like as an example. I don't show this every month. There is a neutral add-on that looks pretty similar to this as far as like the stickers that are available, where you can kind of spruce up your monthly page if you want to, but I actually don't want to this month. I don't think so. Anyway, I was practicing with putting my stickers down. I messed the page all up, so we're gonna go ahead and do this on camera. So if you just wanted to buy this sheet, you technically could, but it wouldn't come with payday flags. But you technically could just buy this sheet if you wanted to. So I'm going to try to lay this down the best way that I know how without messing up some stuff. And then I like to put my November budget sticker that comes on this page. I'm like, where is it, dude? Here it is. And I like to put that at the top, right in the middle. And that's it. So I'm going to keep all of these for when I do my actual monthly budget. But yeah, I don't think I'll use this one, so I'll probably put that in the sale pile. But I just come right back here. I just throw all of my excess stickers right in the back so I can grab them throughout the month of November, or when November rolls around. And so yeah, this is the November budget kit. I think it looks really cute. I love it, actually. Just adds a little something something, you know? I think it would really look good in the colorful one, honestly. Like the colorful planner. But anyway, just so we're all clear, of course you can go to my Etsy shop and see what all I have available, but I have a kit that fits the 7x9 Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner. And what you just saw was my full kit. I actually have a classic kit, which is just a miniature version of the full kit. It's just less stickers, it's less pages, therefore less expensive. I have a kit that fits the monthly planner, which this is what Michelle uses if you've ever wondered. And, you know, I have stickers that fit on these pages, and of course stickers that fit on these pages as well. I haven't practiced in this in a while. I mean, the dimensions don't change, so I haven't really had to adjust those. Anyway, I have a kit that fits the mini happy planner. I have a kit that fits the classic happy planner. And I was recently gifted this Hobo Weeks from Michelle to practice using my kits. But that was just last month, and I'm honestly not that fast. So, practice making kits rather. So, maybe one day, within the next, maybe by the end of the year, I will have a kit for the Hobo Weeks, if that's even still a popular thing. And I'm working on having a kit for the 8.5 by 11 Erin Condren Deluxe Monthly Planner, which is this big guy. And honestly, this thing is huge. Yeah, I started working on it in May and then I quit. But this thing is massive. I don't even know like how people, this is literally a book, you guys. Or maybe it just seems big because I'm used to using the smaller one. And then of course, if it fits this one, I also want it to fit this one, which is the Big Happy Planner, which is the same size. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I just wanted to share the November budget kit design. Make sure you head on over to my Etsy shop to get all of your budget needs met. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Look at my fingerprints. Bye, guys.